Ready? Here we have lot 140, Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower vertical milling machine. It has a variable speed spindle to 4,200 RPM and a 2 horsepower drive motor. I'll run the spindle. It is variable speed. Slow it down, speed it up. It has power quill feed, 5-inch. I'll engage it. And power quill. Notice it also has a Mitutoyo Quill Scale for your quill position. Knock out the power feed. Notice a digital readout, a Newall Topaz 2-axis digital readout. X is working. Y is working. On the table, which is nice, they had a vise here, they put the sabers in here. Looks cool. It has an aligned variable speed power feed. Down slow, up fast, other direction. This machine is also equipped with a Servo variable speed power knee. Up, down. It has one-shot lubrication. We're selling it with a, this is a step clamp set and an assortment of R8 collets because it has an R8 spindle. And that's the machine.